XR is another solution.
Whoa,
right?
that's
Up
so
here.
cool. It's really catch my attention.
Yes.
It's really cool. So we can also try it. Like
You can stand here.
okay.
You can stand
Let
here.
me have a try.
Yeah.
Wow.
This one, whatever the LED screen and the video is customized. This one we call it next generation mini LED immersive screen. And this one can used in some special environment.
Yes.
Such like
yes, in one.
such like the commercial. Commercial virtual
commerce.
live broadcast.
Yes.
And
especially
especially
broadcast. Yeah.
and the virtual tourists.
Yeah.
In the special time,
Yes.
the people cannot traveling so many times.
Yes.
But if
So busy work every day.
yes,
Yes.
and you can learn anywhere in the
just to
live
change
in
the
the broadcast.
video.
Yeah.
That's really cool, and I think it's actually is also can for the shopping mall.
Shopping mall.
Yes, and it's gonna to become like the landmark.
And the
yes.
studio.
Yes, and everybody gonna come here and take a picture and
Take
talk
the
to
pic-
other
not
people.
only take the picture and
Yeah.
you will
Video.
find some amazing.
Yeah.
This video system have the two type.
Oh.
One is with glasses, one is without glasses.
Oh,
Yeah, and all of them is customized made. You can stand here and this is only the exhibition. The project inquiry we can make the roof.
oh my God!
Yeah,
it's like-
similar like the
Okay.
floor.
Yeah, from the floor to the roof.
Yes, it's
That's so amazing. So it's like if I play the moon's video and I take a video for myself, everybody think I travel in the moon. That's
Yes.
so romantic. Yeah.
Yes.
Especially for if a man want a pose for his girlfriend can use or just rent
can
that
make
kind
that
of place.
effective.
Yes,
Okay.
and the girl definitely say yes. Marry. Okay. Yeah, it's also can for the marry event. The big one, marriage ceremony.
Sure.
Oh my God, that's so amazing! Really, it's the first time I saw that kind of a product. Yes, I feel shocked.